Guys, this is the environment that we have here. Yeah, guys, this is where I'm working. So I'm here in the hospital area where we are attending to our patients and all that. So, guys, thanks for tuning into this YouTube channel. Hope these uploads will, show you where we are staying, and hope you will like it because there's a lot of nature and environment here is so friendly and nice. So guys, hope to see you again. Guys, I'm not doing live streams and uploading contents more than 5 or 6 minutes just because of poor network coverage here. Whenever I reach a good network coverage area, I will do live stream and also upload contents that more than 5 or 10 minutes. So guys, thanks for your continued support. Hope to see you whenever I do live streams. Guys, this is Mape River. It's flowing down towards the sea. Weather today it's got clear up and we have blue skies. And environment. Guys, today is a fine day and we have a better view of the environment here. Guys, today it's gonna be a sunny day. The clouds got clear up this morning and we have a sunlight just getting through here. So You can see it. We have blue sky today. Yeah, guys, good morning. Today is gonna be a fine day. So, guys, I'm in a location where having problem with network coverage here. So, a lot of the contents were not uploaded due to the problem that I mentioned. So, guys, makes always keep in tune on this YouTube channel. I will upload some good contents, especially the ones those of you on natural environment. So I'm here in the middle of this environment here, which is nice to view. Those viewers from Egypt and Algeria, I know you guys will enjoy it. I have many viewers from India, Indonesia, and Egypt plus Algeria. So hope they're the one that will enjoy these contents. Some good. Guys, time here is 6 a.m. so it's a bit early morning. Guys, just let's have a look at this waterfall again. Here, so as you can see here, this is the waterfall. This waterfall is a famous waterfall. They used to upload a lot of contents from this part of the waterfall. Then, guys, just look at this view from this end. It's a nice environment here. We have got a kid around here. It's a nice view and environment, guys. Guys, this is Mape River. It's flowing down towards the sea. Weather today it's got clear off and we have blue skies.